Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a heatless roller set on my natural hair. These are the final results from the rollers and the products that I used. So today I'm going to go through everything, the products, the brushes, the rollers, the clips, every single thing I used in this video I'm going to be showing you guys today. This video is in partnership with Aquis, so I'm also going to be showing you their hair turban that I've used in a few of my other videos, and I'll link those down below. So if you guys want to see this heatless roller set routine that I did to get these big bouncy curls, then please keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're watching, and let's get started. Alright, first to prep my hair for the roller set, I am starting with wet, clean hair. I'm going to be using my Deva Curl 1 condition as a leave-in. So I'm just going to be taking a very small amount of leave-in and applying it throughout my hair while it's still very wet. I'm going to take my Denman brush and run it through my hair just to make sure I got all the leave-in conditioner distributed equally and that there are no knots left in my hair. Next, I'm going to be using my Aquis hair turban. I've used this in some of my other videos to absorb water from my hair. For this style in particular, it's really good to do your roller set on damp hair and not soaking wet, because if it's soaking wet, it is going to take absolutely forever to dry. So I'm going to be using my hair turban to zap out the excess water from my hair. This turban cuts down my drying time by over 50%. So this is going to be the perfect tool to use for this hair routine. So to put on the turban, you flip all of your hair over, apply the rounded part of the towel to the back of your head. You're going to put all your hair inside the towel and then twist, and there's a little button in the back where you can connect it. It's really fast and easy to put on, and it's not going to pull at your hair. I love using this towel because it's very thin yet super absorbent, and it's very gentle on the hair. So now that I have my hair turban on, I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the more water it is going to zap out of your hair. This is really going to help reduce breakage because you're helping to close the cuticle by absorbing that excess water. This fabric is 80% polyester and 20% nylon. This fabric is comparable to a dry fit material, so it is going to wick away the moisture, and when I take this off, it is going to be completely frizz-free. I still want my hair to be a little bit damp for this style, so my rollers will go on really easily and dry really nicely. So now I'm going to start parting my hair to get ready for the rollers. I'm going to part them in sections, so I'm going to do this piece first all the way back. And then once I'm done with the top, I'm going to start on my sides. So once you've parted your hair, you're going to go ahead and section your other hair off. What I like to do is twist it like I'm going to put it in a bun. This is going to keep the hair elongated and make it easier to put in my rollers when this section is ready. So depending on the size of the roller you're using, this is the size I'm using. It's about a medium to large roller. So when I'm sectioning this front piece, I like to line it up where I would normally part my hair, which is right here on the side. Then I'll take this and kind of see how large my section should be. I want it to be just the right amount of hair that is going to fit evenly with this roller. Alright, so now that I've sectioned all my hair, I took a very small section in the front. This is where I'm going to start my roller set. I also have a water bottle just in case my hair gets a little bit too dry and you just want to dampen it up a little bit. To add a little bit of hold, I'm going to be using the Curls Goddess Curls Gel. I absolutely love this. It's very lightweight, so it's going to be perfect to do a roller set. I'm going to take my Denman brush and brush my hair upwards. This is going to help create volume when I do my roller. Now I'm just going to stretch my hair as far as I can get it. Take my roller, place it at the end, and just start rolling it upwards. Try to keep it as tight as possible. Now I'm going to take my clip and clip it at the base to hold it. Now we're going to do the same thing all the way back and then start on the side section. So now I've finished the middle row going all the way back. I also did the left side. So what I did was part vertically. So I have 2 vertical lines going down. Then I parted horizontally to do the rollers. So now I'm moving on to this side. I've already done 1 row. So this part I'm gonna spray with some water, brush it out, and add some gel. So now that I've parted it vertically, I'm going to part horizontally and start putting my rollers. Alright guys, so we are all done applying the rollers. I would recommend finishing your hair off with hairspray if you have any available. This is going to help keep the shape, and it's also going to help your hair dry faster. So I'm going to go sit underneath a dryer, and I think my hair will take about 20 to 30 minutes to dry. I'll come back after my hair is fully dry and we'll take out the rollers. Alright guys, so all the rollers are out. As you can see, I have these big, bouncy, juicy curls, and I did this all with rollers, no heat, and I think it looks so good. I would definitely do this again if I wanted to switch up my hairstyle and my texture. You can either leave your hair just like this, like with these big curls, but what I'm gonna do is take a little serum. This is the Ouidad Shine Glaze Serum. I'm going to take some of this serum and break apart some of these roller curls just so I can have a little bit more fullness, a little bit more waves, and it's gonna look really pretty. Alright guys, so that is all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this roller curl set on my natural hair. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have ever tried a roller set. You can find more pictures of this style on my Instagram at AMANDARRWalker. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.